Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review. Today we're testing the AM Leonard Bypass Pruner with ergonomic handles, model 1234. These are very similar to other types of pruners, specifically the Felco brand. It has a volute spring so that debris doesn't get caught in it. It has an excellent bumper right here, so that it's nice and squishy when you're actually making that final pruning cut. On this side, it has a sliding lock pin to keep them closed, and it's fully adjustable in terms of the blade tension, so if you want to get the blades closer together to make a finer pruning cut, you can. Just note that if you over tighten this, you're going to get your blades too tight and the pruners won't open up to their full extent. They have basically a non-slip, sort of a plasticky rubber material. These pruners are ergonomically designed. You can see from the handles how they have these curves to them. They fit perfectly in your hands with your thumb and this part of your hand and palm. You can see that because I have relatively large hands, that your fingertips on the bottom of the handle here, in my case, can barely reach it. So these are really designed for larger hands. Smaller hands you could choke up on the handles to start with, but recognize that you're going to get a smaller cutting diameter. We did cut through half-inch material with no problem. This was harder wood. I'm confident that these would cut up to 3/4 of an inch in much softer wood. They are a reasonably priced pruner. The blade is actually made from Japanese steel, and they're a good price point value for the money. We made some nice bias cuts as well. And let me just start over because of that fly. Okay.